In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canon camera as a webcam wireless. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up any Canon camera and connect it to your PC or laptop wirelessly to use it as a webcam. All that you need in order to get this to work is first, make sure that you can establish a Wi-Fi connection with your PC or laptop, and you need to download the EOS utility app. While we don't need this for the initial setup, eventually when it's time to connect the camera, you will need to open this application, so I recommend letting this download in the background while you watch the video. You can find the EOS utility app available on the Canon website, so go over here, look for EOS utility, and you will be able to get it for Windows and Mac. EOS Webcam Utility Pro. So download this application. Now, to set up the camera itself, use the settings on the display, and when you access these settings, look for wireless communication settings. If you don't see it labeled like this, it will be under Wi-Fi or something similar. Simply look for wireless or Wi-Fi, anything related to that. In here, you can enable or disable Wi-Fi accordingly. So switch this option to enabled. Once Wi-Fi has been enabled like this, either Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi plus NFC, you will be able to finish setting up this connection. So under Wi-Fi function, you will find most of the options to connect it to different devices, including a PC, laptop, and so on. So I recommend using this one that has the icon of a laptop. This one allows you to connect wirelessly using the EOS utility app. So this is why we downloaded the application before. So choose this option if you would like to use Wi-Fi to connect or explore one of the other functions here. And if they offer you the method of easy connection, you can choose it. Now what they are going to do is give you the Wi-Fi network that you have to connect into. So on your laptop, make sure that Wi-Fi is enabled. And like I said, if you are doing this on PC, just make sure that you have a Wi-Fi adapter, enable it, and then connect to this network using the ID and the password. Once you connect to this network, you can then run the EOS utility application and you will be able to see it here. So you have the live view shoot function, you have various different options, you can see the shooting menu, the detail, all of the settings, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Canon as camera, webcam, wirelessly. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.